How to add Sapphire Plugin in After Effects. First, let's open your Chrome. From here, type Sapphire Plugin. Let's click the first link. Then after that, click this download for free trial. After that, select the path you want to download Boris FX on your device. Once done, extract this Boris FX zip file. Then click this Boris installer over here. Click yes on this prompt, then wait for it to be installed. Once done, this Sapphire prompt will show up. If you have an activation key, just type it over here, or you can just install a free version. After that, hit install below. Then let's select this After Effects and Premiere Pro over here, and tap on install on the top. It will now automatically start installing. This may take a while. After installing, you can now go to your Adobe After Effects. Go to your left part and click on Effects and Presets, and here you can now see the Sapphire plugin. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.